In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Windows 11 stock on restart screen. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is forcing your PC to shut down. Press and hold the power button until your computer completely powers off. Once it's shut down, press the power button again to turn it back on and see if the window starts normally. If your PC still shows the restart screen and does not respond properly, try this alternative method. Press and hold the Windows key on your keyboard, then press the X key. After that, press and hold the power button until the computer shuts down completely. Now turn your PC back on and check whether the issue has been resolved. If Windows is still stuck on the restart screen, we will need to use the Windows recovery environment. To access it, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click the Start menu, select the power icon and then click Restart. Keep holding the Shift key until you see the recovery screen. Once you're in the recovery menu, click on Troubleshoot, then select Advanced option. Here choose Startup Repair or Quick Machine Recovery. Depending on what appears on your system, Windows will automatically diagnose startup problems and attempt to repair them. Allow the process to complete and then restart your PC. If Startup Repair does not fix the problem, return to the same recovery screen and then select Troubleshoot again. Next, click Advanced Options and then choose Uninstall Updates. You will now see options to install the latest quality update or latest feature update. If the issue started after a recent Windows update, select the appropriate option and follow the prompts to remove the update. Once the update has been installed, restart your computer and check whether Windows loads normally. In many cases, a problematic update or startup issue is reason Windows gets stuck on the restart screen, and these steps can help resolve it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.